Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. I had to take my glasses off for this part, but I did a whole makeup tutorial today using the Lilo and Stitch collection from Colourpop. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and hear my thoughts on the products, then keep watching. My eyes are prepped and primed, so let's go in with the Beach Dreamin' palette. I don't know exactly what I want to do yet because this is a very colorful palette. I think I'm going to do something in like the purpley family here. I don't know. We'll see where this takes us. I'm going to take the shade Goodness Level on this Jessup 217 brush. I'll link all the brushes down below. And I'm going to pat this all on the lid. This look is going to be a total trust the process. When I'm doing this, I'm really putting most of the product at like the lash line and then working my way up into the crease. And it does not have to be neat because we will clean it up. On this big fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with Sweet Thing to blend it out. Sweet Thing is pretty much like my skin tone, so it doesn't really come up on me, but it's a great blending shade. I'm going to take some NYX glitter glue and just pop a little bit on the back of my hand. And then with my finger, I'm kind of just going to put this in the middle. I'm going to kind of do a halo eye, but like not a halo eye. On my finger, I'm going to take the shade Waves All Day. Really pretty color. And I'm going to pop this where I did the glitter glue. This shade is definitely like a pressed glitter shade. It's not a shimmer. But just look at how pretty that is. So just blend it out a little bit. I'm going to take 626. And I want like the darkness on the outer corner. It's looking really pretty so far. I haven't done like a fun look like this in ages. I'm going to clean the brush off with this Sephora brush cleaner. I love this to just spot clean. You just spray a little bit on, and then with a towel, I always have a towel nearby, just rub it off and boom, all clean. It's like magic. But with the same brush that I used for 626, I'm going to go in with Cutest Alien and kind of pat that on top. I'm going to pat this here. Okay, I'm going to go back in with my finger. I'm going to use my finger for Cutest Alien just to make like a little bit more of a gradient. I'm going to go back in with Sweet Thing and really blend. I'm going to use that same brush I used before for 626, and I'm going to go in with Cuteness Level. I'm going to go in with Goodness Level on the same brush I used for 626 and Cutest Alien. And I'm just going to place this in the inner corner just to kind of blend the two shades together. And again, I'm gonna go back in with Sweet Thing, and I'm actually gonna use a little bit of Goodness Level too, just to really define the crease because I feel like that kind of got lost. I'm not gonna lie, I was not liking this look, but it's coming together. Now I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and kind of go from here out to the eyebrow just to clean up a little bit. Shade Waves All Day has a little bit of fallout. It's nothing like crazy. The mattes are obviously Colourpop quality, and so are the shimmers. I'm going to finish up the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll come back to use the highlighter and the blush and the lippies and the eyeshadow sticks. Alright, so I am back. I did my base, put on some falsies. Now we're going to go in with the eyeshadow sticks. I want to use both just for fun. Why not? First, I'm going to go in with He's All Yours. It's this really pretty like lilac shade. And I'm gonna put this on the lower lash line and kind of just like bring it up a little bit and blend it out with my finger. That looks cute. I like these. These are very creamy. I will definitely be incorporating these into like my everyday makeup routine. I love the purple. I just think it makes the eyes pop, especially brown eyes. And next time I'm going to take Alien Vibes, which is this really pretty like bluey greeny kind of color, and I'm just gonna dot this on the inner corner as like my inner corner highlight. And again, just blend it out with my finger. I'm not gonna lie, I hated this eye look when I started, and now I love it. Next, I'm gonna go in with Crowd Favorite. This is the blush. It's a pH blush. I'm going to take some on the back of this Jessup brush. Kind of just smile. Oh, it's a really pretty pink. Is it too pink? I can't see. I don't have my glasses on. It's kind of giving me like a natural looking like sunburn. I'm going to take this Girl Active powder because I don't feel like using concealer today. And I'm just going to place this on my under eye area to blend it in with the blush a little bit. Not make it look so harsh. But I like the heavy blush on my nose. I think it looks cute. I'm also going to add some bronzer when I'm done with this. Next up, we're going to go in with the Ohana highlighter. I am so excited to use this. Before I highlight, I like to go in with the Mario Badescu spray. I just gave myself a good mist. I just feel like this makes your highlight pop, and it just like also, if you use a lot of powders, it like melts all the powders together. All right, let's swirl this around. Here's my thing with Colourpop highlighters. They don't work with brushes. I don't know if it's just me, the brushes I use, or what. So I'm gonna try my finger I mean, it's there. You can definitely see it on my nose. I don't know, I just thought this would be like a more blinding highlight. It's just not giving me what I thought it was going to give me. Next up, we have the 3 adorable lippies. I'm going to go in with this one, which is super sweet. It's just a really pinky nude color. We also have Experiment 626 and Surfer Vibes. I'm going to go in with the Colourpop lip liner in BFF just to line the lips a little bit. And I'm going to apply Super Sweet. Here is the completed look. Alright, let me put my glasses on to really give you the moment of truth. I like it. I did good. So what I think you should get from this collection are definitely the palette. I think it's really pretty. Is it practical for everyday use? No. But if you love colors a lot, then this is definitely going to be right up your alley. I really like the eyeshadow sticks. I think they're very, very pretty colors, and I really like that you can use these every day for just that pop of color. I also really like the lip glosses. Colourpop lip products are my absolute favorite. I like the blush, but it's not something that like I feel like you totally need in your collection. And I don't know about the highlighter. I'm kind of disappointed in it. I'm not gonna lie. Tell me what you think about this makeup look in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and tell me if you're gonna get anything from the collection. I'll have the whole collection linked in the description box, and then everything by itself as well. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!